Hello and welcome once again to the new session of HIM tutorials. Chapter 4, that is heat and temperature, is going on and we are doing the topic temperature. In our previous video we have done up to the 3 scales, that is Celsius, Fahrenheit and the Kelvin scale. Today we will learn that how we can convert one scale into the another, mainly degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit and degree Fahrenheit into the degree Celsius. So let's begin. So in case of Celsius case, we have learned the freezing point for the water was 0 degree Celsius, and for the Fahrenheit scale it is 32 degree Fahrenheit. And if we go for the boiling point of the water, that was 100 degree Celsius, and in case of Fahrenheit scale it was 212 degree Fahrenheit. If we go for the difference between the two values, that is the lower value and the upper value of both the scales, we find that it has 100 division, and in case of Fahrenheit scale there are 180 divisions. So if we make a ratio of both these, then we will go for 5:9 ratio. Okay, now this will help us to find out the formulas of the degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. So the formulas of both degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit are: degree Fahrenheit is equal to degree Celsius multiplied by 9/5 plus 32, okay, and degree Celsius will be degree Fahrenheit multiplied by 5/9 minus 32. Okay, so these are the formulas of degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius. Now we will take some questions, or you can say we will take some simple numericals, that how we can convert the value of degree Celsius into the value of degree Fahrenheit. So first convert 77 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Now what's the formula? Degree Celsius is equal to 5/9 multiplied by degree Fahrenheit minus 32. Now degree Celsius is equal to 5/9 multiplied by, we will put the value here, that is 77 minus 32. Now degree Celsius is equal to 5/9 multiplied by 77 minus 32 is, I think, 45, and degree Celsius is equal to 5 multiplied by 5, degree Celsius is equal to 25. So 77 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 25 degree Celsius. Let's take one more example. Convert 50 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Now what will we do? We will write the formula first of degree Celsius, because we want to find out the degree Celsius. Then degree Celsius is equal to 5/9 multiplied by degree Fahrenheit minus 32. Now degree Celsius is equal to 5/9 multiplied by, we will put the value here, that is 50 minus 32. Degree Celsius is equal to 5/9 multiplied by 18, 9, 2. So degree Celsius is equal to 5 multiplied by 2. So degree Celsius is equal to 10. Degree 50 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 10 degree Celsius. Like this we can write the answer or the result. Now let's convert 15 degrees Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Now what's the formula of degree Fahrenheit? Degree Fahrenheit is equal to degree Celsius multiplied by 9/5 plus 32. Now degree Fahrenheit is equal to, we will put the value, that is 15 into 9/5 plus 32. We'll cut 5 3s are 15. Okay, then degree Fahrenheit is equal to 3 multiplied by 9 plus 32 degree Fahrenheit is 7 plus 32, then degree Fahrenheit is equal to 59. So 15 degrees Celsius is equal to 59 degree Fahrenheit. Let's take one more example. Convert 10 degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Now what will we do? We will write the formula first of degree Fahrenheit, that is degree Celsius multiplied by 9 by 5 in bracket plus 32. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to, we will put the value here, that is 10 multiplied by 9 by 5 plus 32. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to 2 multiplied by 9 plus 32, and degree Fahrenheit is equal to 2 9s are 18 plus 32, and degree Fahrenheit is equal to 50. So 10 degrees Celsius is equal to 50 degree Fahrenheit. So this is all about the conversions, that how we can convert Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. So please practice few more examples on your own at your home. Up to our next video, keep watching, keep learning, and stay home because it is safe. Thank you.